Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'll show you how to install the tempered glass screen protector for iPhone. Like, subscribe and comment what you want to see in future videos. Without further ado, let's start. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to clean the iPhone screen. Take off the protection case. Prepare for install a new screen protector. So, take one of the wipes and go ahead and clean the iPhone's screen. You can apply some 99% isopropyl alcohol to help remove the sticky. Make sure you get all the dust, dirt and fingerprints out of the way. We also use the included dust absorber sticker to pick up any remaining dust on the screen. So, just take it like this, what is going to use it to pick up any remaining specks of dust on it. We are now going to take the glass protector and set its adhesive side down onto the screen and make sure it's aligned. Remove the plastic covering on the adhesive side of the glass. And we're just gonna set it down like that. Okay, after it's sat down, we're just going to go ahead and press the glass down, make sure it sticks. Make sure you press down the sides and the corners just like that. And at the same time, I'm using it to press the glass down even more. So that's nice and stuck on there. Okay, that's pretty much it. You can now use your iPhone. Appreciate your watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button and don't forget to leave a comment below on what you'd like to see in future videos. See you in the next videos.